children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Joycey, your maths teacher. Tell me children, which lesson we are studying now? Yes, numbers up to 100. So far, we learned the numbers up to 50. We know how to read and write numbers from 0 to 50. Yes? Okay. So today, let us learn how to compare numbers, right? See, what is comparing numbers? Do you know that? Tell me children, how many eyes do we have? Yes, we have 2 eyes. Then, how many fingers do we have? Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers, right? Yes, we have 10 fingers and 2 eyes. 10, 2. Which is bigger? Yes. 10 is bigger and 2 is smaller, right? What we have done now? Yes. 10, 2. We just compare which is bigger and which is smaller, or which is small, which is less. So children, this is comparing numbers. Okay, so in this class, we will learn how to compare numbers. Are you ready? Yes. Children, we are going to learn how to compare numbers. See children, we have to follow some rules for comparing numbers. The first rule, a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. I will read it once again. A 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. We learned what is a 2-digit number and what is a 1-digit number. Tell me one example for a 2-digit number. Yes, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number contains 2 digits, right? And we learned what is a 1-digit number. From 0 to 9 are 1-digit numbers. Okay, so our first rule, a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. Let us understand this rule with examples. I will give you 2 numbers, 5 and 12, right? Here 5 is a 1-digit number. Is 12 a 2-digit number? Yes, 12 is a 2-digit number because this number contains 2 digits, 1 and 2. So, 5 is a 1-digit number and 12 is a 2-digit number. Our rule is a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. So, tell me children, which number is bigger? Yes, we can easily say that 12 is a bigger number because 12 is a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. So here 12 is a bigger number. I'll give you one more example. 2 and 31. Here also we can say that 31 is a bigger number because this number contains 2 digits. Which are they? 3 and 1. 2 is a 1-digit number. So, 31 is a bigger number or 2 is a smaller number. So, children, this is our first rule. Now, we learned how to compare numbers with different digits. Next, let us learn how to compare numbers with same number of digits. Okay? We know a 2-digit number contains 2 digits. For example, 24. This is a 2-digit number, right? A 2-digit number has 2 places. Do you know what are the place names? Yes. The first place is ones. Then second place name is tens. The first place name ones. Here the second place name is tens. We learned 2 tens and 4 ones make the number 24. Do you remember that? Yes. So in this number we can see 2 tens and 4 ones. Right? That is, a 2-digit number contains 2 places, ones and tens. Okay, so let us learn how to compare numbers with same number of digits. That is, let us learn how to compare 2-digit numbers. I told you we have to follow some rules for comparing numbers. Let us see the next rule, that is rule 2. The number which has a bigger tens digit is bigger. I will read it once again. The number which has a bigger tens digit is bigger. Let us understand this rule with some examples. Let us compare these two numbers. See, these two numbers are 2-digit numbers. So we can't apply our first rule here because our first rule is a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. Here the two numbers are 2-digit number. So let us apply our second rule. Which is our second rule? Yes. A number which has bigger tens digit is bigger. Okay. We learned a 2-digit number contains 2 places, tens and ones. Here in this number 34, 4 comes ones place, 3 comes tens place. In this number 15, we can see that 5 comes ones place and 1 comes tens place. So tell me children, which is the tens digit in 34? 3. Tens digit in 34 is 3 and 15 is 1. Okay. So our second rule states that a number which has bigger tens digit is bigger. So tell me children, which number is bigger, 3 or 1? Yes, 3 is a bigger number. So we can say that 34 is a bigger number. Right? A number which has bigger tens digit is bigger. We can say that 34 is a bigger number. Let us see one more example. See children, here we have to compare these two numbers, 19 and 25. These two numbers are 2-digit numbers. So we can apply the second rule. Okay. What is our second rule? Yes. A number which has bigger tens digit is bigger. So first let us find out which is the tens digit in these numbers, right? 90, it is the tens digit 1. The tens digit is 1. Here the tens digit is 2. So tell me children, which number is bigger, 1 or 2? Yes, 2 is a bigger number. So we can say that 25 is a bigger number. Now we learned 2 rules for comparing numbers. The first one, a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. And second rule, a number which has bigger tens digit is bigger. Children, let us compare numbers by using these 2 rules. The first one, 12 and 8. Here 12 is a 2-digit number, 8 is a 1-digit number. We know a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. So here we can say that 12 is a bigger number. In the second problem, we have 2 numbers, 24 and 32. These 2 numbers are 2-digit numbers. So let us use the second rule. That is, a number which has bigger tens digit is bigger. So let us compare the tens digit. Here the tens digit is 2. Here the tens digit is 3. We know 3 is the bigger number. So we can say that 32 is the bigger number. Next problem, 49 and 70. Here these 2 numbers are 2-digit numbers. So let us use the second rule. So let us compare the tens digit. Here the tens digit is 4. Here 1. We know 4 is bigger than 1. So we can say that 49 is the bigger number. Okay children, I hope you have understood how to compare numbers. Today we learned 2 rules for comparing numbers. We have to learn one more rule. That rule we will discuss in the next class. Okay. So children, I have attached notes of lesson and a worksheet along with this video. Children, you have to write down the notes and do the worksheet. Let me conclude today's session. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.